Hey guys, welcome back to Topper Deck Breaks. And look what I found. I found eight fat packs at my local store. 2024 Series 1. And we're looking for the Relic, the autographed Relic cards. So we're just going to jump right in. We're going to see what is in these fat packs. All right, we got a Luke Rayleigh, Astros, George Mateo, Byron Buxton, J.D. Davis, got an Evan Carter rookie card, Michael Harris II, Peralta, Biggio, Wisdom, Torres. Oh, that's a funny one. Dance Off, Suzuki, Rizzo. It's a cool looking one. Got the Braves, Wells, Triolo rookie, Perdomo, Garrett, Geloff, O'Hearn, Estrada, Smith, Shover. Oh, we got a, what is this here? We got a rainbow refractor of Freeland, Julio Rodriguez, 35th anniversary. Beautiful card. Couple stars of MLB, Julio Rodriguez, Relic, Varsho, Canzone rookie, Corbin Carroll, Chris Taylor, Nathaniel Lowe, Victor Medeiros, Pete Alonso, and my man Bobby Witt Jr. All right, let's check out pack number 2. Ooh, future stars. There you go. Look at that. Logan O'Hop, Talon Langeliers, Elites of the Game with Otani and Betts. I like that one. Scubal, Telez, Matos rookie, Ibanez, Castillo, Quan, G1 Bay, Jason Dominguez rookie card, Torkelson, Jake the Burger, Encarnacion rookie card, Kramer Flores, Savale Horvitz rookie card, Aaron Judge, Cormac Nicolas Keaton rookie card, and we got a couple. Oh wow, look at this. Corbin Carroll, 35th anniversary, Colton Cowser rookie card, and a nice blue sparkly John Duran. That's numbered. That is numbered 126 out of 999. Beautiful. Couple stars of MLB, Bobby Witt, Christian Encarnacion, Gabriel Moreno, future stars, Chris Bryant, Kim, Jordan Westberg rookie, Rodriguez, Garcia, Soderstrom rookie card. Not bad. We're 2 packs in. Let's take a look. Pack number 3. Brandon Donovan, Nick Robertson, rookie, Swanson, Cortez Jr., National League leaders, the Padres, Wesneski, Doval, rookie, Brian Wu, Garcia, Walter rookie, Valdez. There's a lot of rookies up in here. Alazovic, Pivetta, Blanco, Julio Rodriguez, Adolis Garcia, Kyle Tucker, Angels, Richmond, Williams rookie, Albert Pujols, 35th anniversary, couple stars, Jazz Chisholm, Pete Crow, Rodriguez, Josh Naylor, Fernando Tatis, Luciano rookie, Manning, Jeffers, Abbott rookie. Tyler Anderson. All right. All right, pack number 4. Astros. Bieber. Oviedo Future Stars. Rogers, Lugo, Acuna Jr. I like Acuna. Acuna Matata, Christian Javier, Arenado, rookie card. Jazz Chisholm Jr. John Gray, Valencia rookie card. All right, what else we got here? Goldschmidt, rookie, Montez, Bradish, Joe Ryan, Danny Jansen. All right, we got some out of this blue, old school looking G1 Bay. Got a couple other ones here. Rafaela, Riley Green, Corey Seager, India, Stott, Grayson Rodriguez, Tatis Jr., Luciano. All right, starting to see a couple doubles. Let's see what we get for the last 4 packs. We're pack number 5. Suarez, O'Hop, Future Stars. Talon. Elite to the Gate, Otani and Betts we had. That's a double. Scubel. Matos, rookie. Encarnacion. Ricky Sheehan, White Sox, Blade, Ramirez, O'Neal Cruz, Bobby Miller, Future Stars, rookie Lawrence, Cronenworth, Maurizio, rookie, Joe Waddell. What do we got here? Cool looking rainbow refractor. Shanuel, rookie card, Gavin Williams, couple stars. Henry Davis, Fernando Tatis, Westbrook rookie, Rodriguez, Garcia, Soderstrom rookie, Baird, Grisham, Henry Davis rookie, Justin Steele. All right, we got 3 packs to go. Fat packs from my local retail store. Topps 2024 Series 1. We're looking for the Relic, the autograph Relic. Can you actually get it in this fat pack? Castillo, Jacques, rookie card, Vladdy, Guerrero, rookie. All right, not much in this pack. Let me see what else is happening here. Pete Alonso, Ozzy, Quintana, rookie card, Williams, rookie card. Ooh, Ken Griffey Jr. I like Ken Griffey. He's a good one. Another blue color variant. Oh, Mookie Betts. Look at that. Greatest hits. Yoran Alvarez. Vladdy Guerrero. Future Stars. Rookie, Canzoni. 2 more packs to go. Still no Relic, no autograph Relic. Haven't yet. We got 1 number card so far. Rookie card, Zach. Detmers. Rookie, Rodriguez. Julio Rodriguez. Gabon, Kirilov, Corbin, Schneider. Rookie card, Evan Longoria. Not Eva Longoria. Gratterall, Valdi, Jose Ferrer, rookie. Bueller, not Ferris. Montero, Olsen, rookie. Amaya, Holmes, Resilient rookies. Okay. Duran. Starling Mart. Pete Crow. Ooh. This one feels different. We got a blueprint. Bobby Witt Jr. blueprint. Wow. Stars of the MLB. This is a Topps Chrome insert. So let's take a look at that one. Insert Topps Chrome. But yeah, right here it says Topps Chrome. Insert rookie card. Pete Crow Armstrong. Bobby Witt Jr. blueprint. Stars of the MLB. Corbin Carroll. Arizarena Amaya rookie card. Cano, Castro, Bailey, Rafaela rookie card. India. Bryson Stott. Okay, we're on our last pack. We have not hit an autograph. We have not hit a relic. So let's see if we can get lucky on these retail fat packs. Alrighty. Future Stars. Rookie Uribe. Rookie Hamilton. Mike Trout. Rookie Marlowe. Jose Barrios. Isaiah Campbell. Rookie. This is a gold variant. Numbered. Number 81 out of 2024. Blueprint. Mookie. Aaron Judge. Ronald Acuna Jr. Rookie. Rafaela. India. Bryson Scott. Grayson Rodriguez. Josh Naylor. Alrighty, so let's take a look at what we got here. We got a blueprint, a Mookie, which is right over here. I'll put that right there. We got the Chrome insert, the Pete Crow Armstrong insert, and I'll put, which is that one right there. Got that one right there. Another blueprint. There's the other blueprint. And let's take a look at these other cards that we got here. The Julio, Christopher Morel. There you go. Let's take a look at that one there. Ken Griffey. And we've got some more cards here. All right, so these are the ones that I put aside. There's a rookie, there's a Westberg, Gavin Williams, Henry Davis, Fernando Tatis. Whole bunch of rookie cards in these fat packs. Can't go wrong with it. Local retail store. Lead to the game. And there was that other one, if I could find it here. 35th anniversary. This was the blue color variant. Acuna Jr. There it is right there. That was the blue color variant refractor, numbered 126 out of 99. And that was a hit in the 8 fat packs that I got. No autograph relic. but that was the hit of the evening. All right, so yeah, if you're in your local retail store, grab a pack. Grab a pack of these. You never know what you're gonna hit. 2024 Topps Series 1 Relic, autograph Relic. A ton of nice cards in here. You got all the different rookie cards. You got all the different color variants and refractors. You could chase it all up in these packs. But thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and let me know what you want me to open up next. Thank you so much.